Oh, welcome back. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Oh man, I don't even got my charts up. What am I doing? Hold up. My bad, my bad. Let me set everything back up. My bad. I don't know what's going on. How's everybody doing in the chat? Alright, glad to see y'all. Let's get it. Let's put these screens up. Let's put these screens up. Hold on, man. I am so sorry. I already had it. What am I doing? There we go. What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Welcome back. What's up, Deontay? Good to see you in the chat. Alright, so first things first before we get started, I already know how we do this. We gotta get into that word. I gotta spread that word. Alright? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. But seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all things will be given to you as well. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough problem of its own. So remember, guys, don't worry about tomorrow. Today has enough trouble of its own. All right? Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and everything will be given to you. All right? Worry about the now, not the future. We got Matthew chapter 7, verse 7. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock at the door, and it will be open to you. For everyone who asks will receive. The one who seeks will find. And to whom who knocks, the door will be open. All right, so make sure you guys you're seeking that kingdom, talking to God, having that communication with God, standing in prayer with God, and He will establish your ways because He is your rock. All right, God bless. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Good morning. Good morning, Lee. What's up, Alpha? What's up, Alpha? Good to see you. All right, y'all, we got that scripture out. I'm going to get back to it. We get more people in here. We're going to get back to the scriptures, all right? We're going to take it slow today. So, look, I'm going to let y'all know this. The sale ends tonight. It ends tonight. Tonight. The link is in the chat. The link is in the description. The link is on my socials. Go get you some accounts. I just got another Top Step account. All right, we're gonna trade this Top Step account. So it's a brand new account. What am I doing? It's a fresh new account. All right. So we don't have no PA. We have our Apex PA. All right, which I'm waiting on. We're waiting on that Apex PA, but we got to do Top Step again. Come on, what are you doing? Hold on, y'all. I gotta fix this again. I think my thing is... One second. I'm a little sloppy. We already had, I think we had PMI, or was it what it was? We had news at 7:30, so that's out the way. News is out the way. Come on, PNL, let's go. Where you at? People need to see the chat. They need to see the charts. They want to see the money. It's coming. It wants to. There you go. There you go. Make sure this is up to date. I'm gonna redo this one just to make sure that everything's clear. Redo this one, cause it be acting weird, you know. It be weird sometimes. So how's everybody doing? Man, my day is going well, Deontay. Thank you for asking. See if this is too much light. Let me see. Hold up. Let me see if this is too much light. Hold on. Oh, that is. Anyways, what's the bias on the Nasdaq this morning? What's up, Kingdom? What is the bias, man? Look, we got 23 more minutes until this market opens, right? 23 more minutes. All right, we got So as y'all can see, we have ES. Look at my cursor. ES. We have NQ. We're on the daily. All right, I want to let y'all know I'm not a financial advisor. All of my trades are my trades, in my opinion. I'm not a professional. I don't think nobody really is unless you're working for a hedge fund or something. So if you take my trades, it's at your own risk. All right, so look, we're on the daily. If my time frames are frozen, please let me know in the chat. Chat, please let me know if my time frames are frozen. Spread the word, spread that word. Yeah, for sure. If my time frames are frozen, please let me know in the chat. Because if I say I'm on a 5 minute and I'm still on a daily, please let me know. Because I'm looking at the charts and not the stream. But I got the chat next to me, but I just can't see the stream. All right, let's get into it. All right. What do we have here? Look right here. Let me go over here and see what's up with here. All right. Got some liquidity above. All right. Let's see. What do we got? Let's see. All right. Daily fair value gap above, which is a IFVG. All right. Okay. Had a rejection at the 4 hour half midpoint. Okay. I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. I'm gonna see interesting trading marketing. That's funny. All right. So look. Come on. What are you doing? It's a little slow. Let me look at this. All right, let me look at this again. Oh, I ain't got y'all over. Let me push ES over a little bit more. My bad. All right, let's get it. All right, so on the daily, here we go. On the daily, we have NQ, we have ES. We still have liquidity above, and we have liquidity imbalances in below, right? On NQ, we didn't get the break, but we did tap into this 4 hour supply zone again and closed on the daily. On ES, we did the same thing. We hit that halfway part. We hit that halfway mark, right? But we closed above. We're gonna see if ES and NQ have any confluence today about going short, because NQ couldn't push higher, and the thing is, we rejected at that 4 hour mark, right? 4 hour supply zone, and we rejected halfway. Same thing with ES on a 4 hour internal FVG. We closed halfway, but the thing is, ES closed above. We got the break on ES, but we didn't get the break on NQ. So my bias on the day is, I think we still can go sideways unless we get a big move down. Another thing, the previous day we didn't get the break of structure on the previous day. So I don't think we're gonna get any shorts. I'm not sure, because if we would have got a break of structure on a yesterday, like right here, look. If we would have got a break of structure right here on a daily, then I would have said, yeah, the shorts are definitely coming in. But I don't see no break of structure. Remember, the trend is still long. The trend is still long on a higher time frame just because we didn't get no break of structure. And even though we're pushing into a zone, we're gonna see. So we're gonna play it safe today, because today can be sideways. We didn't get a break of structure on ES. We didn't get a break of structure on NQ. So what is ES? What is ES? What do you mean? Like, what is ES? You know how NQ is a Nasdaq, right? ES, S&P 500, just another index that's like S&P 500, Nasdaq, Dow Jones. You know, just another It's just it's like another stock that holds a group of more stocks, because they're so profitable. Like how Nasdaq holds like Tesla, Apple, technologies, and just all kind of stocks that does well quarterly, annually, you know. That's all it is. Yeah. There's another stock that just does well, but we use them as confluence based off how they hold these stocks. So we just use like QQQ. It's all the same. I mean, we just use them as confluence. That's all it is. Trust me. Be honest with you. If anybody can tell you where the market's gonna go, nobody knows. I don't care if you had all of the indicators. You ain't gonna know where the market's gonna go. But you can do is you can predict. You can predict. But other than that, I use them as confluence because I like how they I like how they both kind of have like the same confluence. You know what I mean? Like they don't look exactly like, for example, they don't look the same, but they kind of follow the same pattern in a way. One might be higher and the other one might be shorter, but at the same time, it's like at certain key levels, they do the exact same thing. That's what I like about QQQ, NQ, ES. You know, I like how they both follow exactly the same pattern. Even though their price is different, their time frame is different, but when you look at them, they do have a good similarity. Yeah. Market opens up in 15 more minutes. But other than that, what I was saying, look. So we didn't get the break short. Can we go short? Yeah. Yeah, we can. I didn't get the break on NQ, but we got the break on ES. But we're gonna see. We're gonna see if we continue to break some more. Let me drop down. Let's get off this daily. Let's drop down to a 4 hour. Let's drop down to a 4 hour to see if we are getting that break. We have the breaker structure on ES. We don't have the breaker structure on NQ. So for example, right here. Put it right here. No 4 hour breaker structure. No 4 hour breaker structure on NQ. But you know, we got the breaker structure. Yes, 4 hour breaker structure. Let me put this to the left so y'all can see it. See? Yes, we did. All right. Let me put this white. Make this white. Make this white. But look, this is my first time charting. I just woke up. I didn't even chart nothing yet, so I'm still trying to look at these markets and see where it's gonna go. So if I'm like pausing and stuff, I'm still trying to like really study this. All right, so we did get the breaker structure on ES, because as you can see, we broke this structure. We closed above it. We closed above it, and then we rejected. Had a retracement for correction. NQ didn't get the breaker structure. All right, let me just erase it because I don't want that all in my way. Can we move sideways? Is this a sideways range day? When trading Forex, the USD pairs react based off what the dollar is doing. So I see what you're saying. I always be seeing S&P, Nasdaq flow the same. Yeah, S&P, but Nasdaq really flows good with QQQ. I don't have that other depth of market. If I would have bought more depth of market, I can trade QQQ too, but I just don't have it. Gold and other resources do their own thing. You know what I'm saying? Unless the market is, because don't get me wrong, the whole market itself will react off news. But when there's like really no news going on, the markets will do their own thing. But let's say if Trump said that terror's happening, the market, I don't care if it's gold, silver, eggs, milk, it's going down. Or it's going up at the same time when these news come out. But when you're looking for markets that confluence, like what is it? I don't know which ones, what USD. I don't know what it pairs with, but you're right. It's good to see markets with confluence so you can see how one market is reacting with the other market. All right, so look right here. We do have some imbalance right here too that we got to feel, because this is like some more imbalance that we could tap into. If we keep getting this rejection, I'm gonna see about a short. But if we continue to grind higher and higher and higher to this previous day high, I'm gonna go long. Plain and simple. But I don't know. This market looks a little wonky. I'm not getting no clear direction, because look how we continue to stay in range. Remember, guys, we're on a combine. See at the top, right here, we're on a 50K combine. A brand new combine. We're going to pass it, work towards it. So if you want to buy a combine, it's in the description. Go do it with Top Step. It's easy. You pay whatever it is. It's $50 for the cheapest one. You pay it. You'll have the same charting system set up right here. We'll trade the same time. If you want to do Apex, the sale ends tonight, which is 80% off. So I have 2 links in the description if you want to buy one. Top Step and Apex. You know, this is Top Step right now. So if you want to trade Top Step, it's $50. The link is in the description. It says Top Step. Buy the account if you want to. And we'll be trading the same way. And we'll get funded and take some payouts. All right, let's get to it. Let's get to it. So market opens up in 12 more minutes. I'm gonna start charting. Let me do some charts. Right now, I like this 1 hour. I'm gonna put this 1 hour right here. Boom, got a 1 hour. Oh, let me keep it like that. 1 hour. Let's look at ES. ES, we have a 1 hour. See, look how they almost the same. This is ES, this is NQ. Like they have like almost the same pattern. And I like to use them as confluence. We also have a 1 hour favorite. What's up, Priv? What's up, Priv? What's up? What's up? I mean, I'm good to see everybody, man. We got the team in the chat. The team is in the chat. All we need is the other guy. I forgot his name. Not DEN. I don't want him in here. That dude, wow. That dude's wild. No, this ain't a 1 hour. This is 4 hours. I'm surprised I didn't even catch that. These are 4 hours. So these are big zones. Hold up, let me put this 4 hour. Remember, we on combines. I blew my PAs because I got a little greedy. Greed do happen sometimes though. 4 hours, 1 hour supply. 1 hour fair value. 4 hour fair value gap. Right? We charting before this market opens. That's what we do. We chart. Make sure these are in the back. Let me know if there's something wrong with the chat. Please let me know if there's something. If you let me know if there's something wrong with the charts. Please chat. Let me know if something is looking odd and throw it off. Please let me know, chat. Okay. All right. Let's see what else. Okay. It looks like we still gotta fill this. I want to see this get filled. 1 hour. Let's look at a 1 hour. Okay. Okay, we still got some imbalance that we gotta fill below here. Hey, if we get these shorts, I'm gonna get in short because I want to see this get filled. I would like to see this get filled. If we keep getting a rejection, we do got the 1 hour break though, but we didn't get the 4 hour break. I like the higher time frame. We didn't get the 4 hour break. I want to see this reject, just plummet when market open. What else we got? Go down to 1 hour on ES. Okay, just erase some stuff that's like in the way. ES. Make sure y'all can see these charts. Hold up. I'm gonna put it halfway so y'all can see it. So y'all can see it. Yeah, alright, there we go. Quasi is always confident when it comes to the stream. I try to be. The more you do something, the more it becomes easier. Hey, I'm gonna rewrite, I'm gonna do the scripture one more time before market opens. Seek first his kingdom. Matthew chapter 6, verse 33. Seek first his kingdom and his righteousness, and all things will be given to you as well. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow has enough problems of his own. Each day is enough trouble, you know? So focus on today. Seek his kingdom, and God will establish your ways, all right? Also, ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be open to you. For everyone who asks receives. The one who seeks will find, and the one who knocks, the door will open. All right, give it to God, and God will help you establish your ways. God bless y'all. Let's get it. Hey, Deontay. Hey, man, let's get it. Market opens up in 9 more minutes, and we're moving sideways. Look at this 1 hour. Look at this. We haven't had a break for like the past. We haven't had a break for the past 7 to 8 hours. Could this be a break? Can we break lower? Can we break shorter? We're gonna see. Remember my motto. I want to see a break of structure, and I want to see it close. Where that candle closing. That's how we take our trades. We don't want to get too besides ourselves and forget that. Well, for me, I want to see that close. We're moving sideways. We're moving sideways within this range. I don't like that. We probably wouldn't even tap into this unless we break out. Now we might get some rejection, but the thing is, liquidity. You know, if we get a rejection, a quick rejection, a big old rejection, then I'm gonna see about taking a short. But I gotta see it build down. I don't want to just take it just because I see volatility. I like volatility, but I don't want to. I don't want to take volatility without no structure. I just can't do it. All right, just looking, just to kind of like see where we at. I don't see no other zones on any time frames besides. Let's see what we got. We got a 30-minute right here. 30-minute on ES. 30-minute on ES. 30-minute. Place that right there for me. Look at NQ. 30-minute on NQ. 30-minute on NQ. Wow, and we also got some liquidity that lies right here that we got to tap into right here. Make that a red zone, cause I would like for this to get touched right here. This internal liquidity is nice. I like this. This is like a nice little area. I would like for it to be tapped at too. I'm gonna put this as I'm gonna put that as TP. Put that as TP. First TP. First TP. First TP. Not saying this will be TP, because I mean we can reject that in an instant. What else? What else do we have? Man, I ain't gonna lie, I really have to use it. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, but we're gonna hold on. We're gonna hold it. What else do we have? Did we tap into that? We tapped into that. Did we? Hold up. Did we touch that point? We did. We touched that point. All right. What else? We tapped into that point. We touched this point. Shorts might be coming in. We getting rejection on a 30-minute. Are we getting rejection on a 1 hour? See. If I look at these high time frames, it'll give more clarity on where we may go. Look at a 4 hour. Rejection on the 4 hour looks good on that half point. Look at the 4 hour on here. Rejection on the 4 hour looks good on here at that previous day high. No, that's a 30-minute. I'm sorry. 4 hour rejection. Yo. How much time we got? We got 5 minutes into this 15-minute. 5 minutes into this 15-minute. Can we get this rejection? I know they still got imbalance above, but we may not feel that. We might feel that later and bounce. Right? Let me go back to a 1 hour. I'm gonna keep a 1 hour on ES as confluence. I'm gonna keep the 1 hour on ES just to kind of see it better. All right. So y'all can see it better. There y'all go. I'm gonna keep this right here. There we go. Are we getting that rejection? Look at a 15-minute. Yeah. Sideways, a lot of sideways. We in range. This is range. But you know, when you have range, you have a breakout. So we're waiting for the breakout. Rejection right here, rejection right there. I hope we don't push higher, because if we push higher, then that's gonna be annoying. 30 minutes on that. We got 31 minutes on that. I'm gonna look at a 4 hour again. I just want to look at it. Rejection. Look at these wicks. Look at these wicks, y'all. Rejection. Rejection. Look at a 1 hour. Rejection on this internal fair value gap. Rejection. I don't see a breaker. I'm looking for a breaker block. Yeah, I mean, yeah. 30-minute. Still got some liquidity that sits above too that will need to be tapped into. I would think. I mean, if we come back up to it, but I think we might come to get this rejection right here. on the daily. Can we get this breakdown? I mean, I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. It's looking iffy. Look at a 5 minute. Ooh, rejection on a 5 minute. Can we get the break? I would like to see a break. Oh no, that's not the 5 minutes. That's a 3 minute. Can we get this closed? Man, look at that. Look at that. Look at that rejection. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Put this back on a 15 minute. This rejection is crazy. Market opens up in 1 more minute. Dang, people already taking the short. Market hasn't even opened up yet, and people already are in the shorts. How amazing is that? Before you say this thing go, we haven't been breaking yet. Look, I mean, it's cool and all, but I want to see a break. I want to see a close. All right, so 30 seconds on this. 30 seconds on this 30 minute. How much in a 15 second? 30 seconds. All right, we're gonna see. Can we get that continuation? Can we get that continuation? 14 seconds. Market's about to open up. 10 seconds. Market's about to open up. Y'all know what time it is. Here we go. Push back up. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Market's open. Market's pumping. Market's pumping. 30 minute printed. 1 hour. We in range. This is a range. This is range. I would like to see this rejection. I'm not even lying to y'all. Can we get this rejection? Look at ES 15 minute. Can we get a rejection right here? I'm gonna try a short. Put my stop above. I mean, yeah, put my stop above this for a $42 loss. Can we get this break? Nah. So it looks a little wonky. I ain't gonna lie. And we pushed up so high. It's like almost as if they knew everybody was gonna get into this trade. We're not getting a break though. Can we get this break? Probably not. I want to see this rejection. Can we get this rejection? I'm gonna get out of this. All right, down 32, but let me push this over just a tad bit so you can see it better. There we go. There we go, there we go. A lot of range. Stay on the 15 right here. Get rid of this. I need to stay on a high time frame, especially with moves like this. I need to stay on a high time frame. I think this is gonna just eat me up. Yeah. 15 minute, 30 minute pushback. Let's see on the 1 hour. I would like to see this. I would like to see this rejection come in. I would like to. If we don't continue to push higher, I would like to see this rejection. I would like to see the break. Or would I? Let me get rid of this line. Go back over here. Go on a 15 minute. Right here. Put my lines right here. Okay, the 3 minute. Try one more minute, one more micro. And put my stop right back above this IFVG. Unless we don't get a, I hope we don't get a pop. We might get a pop. We're gonna see. If we can get the break, that'd be nice. If we don't, then you know, it is what it is. I want to see a break. If we can get that break. Ooh, that looks heavy. That looks heavy. We got I'm gonna wait. I want to see a break. I want to see a clear break. If we get the break, that would be nice. But this thing could pop back up. Gotta be careful. All right, rejection. Rejection. Break this low. That'd be nice. Hey, let's get it, man. We in this. Let's go. Oh no, this thing about to start screaming. Let me. Put this back on a 15 minute. Man, can we get this break? Nope. Can we get it? I'm gonna sit on this 5 minute. I wanna see what this 5 minute do. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take this out. I'm gonna take this out. I wanna see a close. I wanna see a close right now. On a 5 minute. Let me place this right here. I feel like this is highly important right here. Yeah. There we go. I like this. I like this. If we get this break right here, this would be nice. I don't want to take no trade until I see a break of structure right here. Right? That was a nice little scalp and all, but I want to see it just flush and say, you know what, I'm closing. Not pump back up like 100 points. Because this is range. I'm trading range from... I can't fool myself. This is range. Right? Alright. That's all I'm saying. We ain't breaking that, then I'm not getting in that. Hold up. I need to find my face. I'm not playing. Break that. Don't tap that. I want to see a break. Ooh. 15-minute demand zone right here. 15-minute demand zone right here. What happened? We tapped into that and boing, right? I want to see you break this. If you ain't breaking it, then I'm not getting into it. I don't want to see no bounce. I don't want to see no tippy tap. You got to break it. And I mean break and close it. Right? That's the only way. That's the only way. He just tapped it. Now that would have been a nice scout. But like I said, this could be a range bound day. I want to see you break it. If you ain't breaking it, you're making me angry. Alright? Come on now. Come on now. Alright, just shot back up. Remember, we are still in range. But if I see us continue to go higher and get above, I'm taking that long. Because it's telling me that it doesn't want to break. But we are in range. All we're trying to figure out is which way the range wants to break out of. Does the range want to go higher? Does the range want to go lower? We're just trying to see. Anybody trading this right now is going to get chopped up. Unless we get that break. So remember, time meets price. Price meets time. So if this price breaks right here at the right time, we know for sure that this market want to go down. We just got to wait for like this 15 minutes to tell me. We haven't had no true break. Rejection, 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 rejection. See, it's just rejection, 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 rejection. It's just like no break. Sideways action. We looking for a break of structure. I wouldn't say this is a bear flag. This looks very odd. You know, it don't even look like a... Wait a minute. Wait a minute, wait a minute. I can't even tell you what this is. Okay. Okay. Coming back down. Okay. I just want to see a break. We get the break. We get the play. But I want to see it on a 5-minute. If anything, I want to see it on a 5-minute. I'm looking at a 15-minute to see if I'm missing anything. Nah, it's rangy. This is rangy. Price action trash. Rejection, rejection, 1 rejection, 2 rejection, 3 rejection. No break, no break, no break. On a 1-minute, on a 5-minute, rejection but no break. Rejection but no break. We're not even breaking these points. Close. Put it right here. I would say that's a block. 30-minute. Just adding more stuff, more confirmation, just to see if I missed out on anything that looks maybe promising that I forgot. 15-minute. Ooh, 15-minute. That's a fair value gap right here. What am I doing? 15-minute. Let me look at this time frame. No fair value gap on these time frames. Let me put one right here because this is an internal. Actually, right here. On a 5-minute. That would be a nice 5-minute. But I want to see rejection. Nope. Not giving it. Just faking people out. Nope. See? Bow. Are we standing above this? Are we standing above this? Are these loans coming in? Ooh. We in some important levels. Look at this. We in some important levels. Hey, be careful, cause this is some strong stuff right here. Be careful. We're bouncing off this 5-minute fair value gap and these 15-minute and 30-minute fair value gaps right here. Ain't nobody getting clarity right now. Just being honest. No break. Sideways. Just sideways. We're just sideways, y'all. Remember, the trade is off. There's no trade because there's no break of structure. See my man right here? He mad because he waiting for that break, right? He waiting for that break. So he ain't taking no trade. So I'm gonna name this. No break. No trade. No break, no trade. Right? No break, no trade. No break, no trade. Just saying. Got some zones. Look at them in a high time frame. Rejection, rejection, rejection. All right. Getting back underneath it. Let me look at it 1 minute. All right, rejection, rejection. Can we push hot lower? Yeah, rejection, rejection, rejection. Nope. I don't care if it was going short. No break, no trade. And tapping it is not a break. Breaking it is when it's closing below it, and that's the trade. I know how it go, right? That's how you sit on hands. You sit on hands until you get confirmation. No confirmation, no trade. Just range. All right, let me go back to a 15-minute on ES. All right, we didn't get the close below. Ooh, that's scary. 15-minute close. Man, I don't like. Ooh, wait a minute. Hold on. Can we get this break? If we get this break low, man, this thing's plummet. This thing is gonna bleed out for real. No 30-minute break. What about the 1 hour? We got 14 minutes. Hey, I'll be right back. All right, I'll be right back. Y'all, hold on. All right, we back. Did we get the break? No. No break. We gotta get that break. That's the only way I'm gonna take this trade. Can we get that break? Can I get that close below? It looks good and all, but I want to see the break. We don't get no break. We're gonna get the bounce. That's what's going. We don't get the break. We're gonna get the bounce. That's what's gonna happen. Got the break? Can we get the close? 5-minute close? I want a 5-minute close. I mean, if we get a 1-minute close, that's cool and all. I want to see the rejection. All right, look. NQ with ES is tapping into Islo right here too, but this might be a rejection back up to this 15-minute. I want to see a retracement back up to this point. 20 seconds left. If this thing don't just shoot down on me, that would be annoying, bro. That's gonna be trash. Ooh, wait a minute. Alright, another part. Let me see. Hold up. Ooh. Alright, so we might just tank, but hey, I wanna see a close. I wanna see a close. Y'all gonna close, y'all really gonna close right? You know what sucks is when it closes all the way down here. Like, who wants that? Here come the retracement. Y'all know how it go. And here comes the shorts, if we can get it. I want to see it kind of retrace back up, and then I can get the short. If not, then I'm going to gauge in one. I'm in one. I'm going to put my stop back above for a loss of 90. I want to see ES. Look at the retracement. Told y'all. As soon as I seen it, said that. As soon as I said that. If I get a rejection on a 1 minute, I'm going to add more. Wow, ES could even break. I want ES to break. If ES breaks it, we in the clear. We in the clear. Let's see. I'm adding one more. ES has a fair value gap right here. If we don't push back into this 15 minute, I might scale out of one. ES. Can ES get the rejection right here? 30 seconds left until this 5 minute closes. 30 seconds left until this 20 seconds left on this 5 minute too. This isn't, I don't need that. I need to pay attention. Actually, I'm lying. I'm gonna need that. I'm lying. Let's see. NQ has the ES. NQ has the fair value gap right here. We got the break, so run it up. Let's go. I just want to see where we at. All right. So NQ got the 5 minute close. I can see the retracement. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get out of one. Just in case we have a retracement. I'm out of one. We down 35. That's cool. I'm cool with that. If I get a clear sweep down, I'm taking that trade all the way down, and I'm gonna add. Are we getting this rejection? 5 minute. Ooh. Should I add? I'm not liking it. I'm not liking it. I don't like how we halfway. We like halfway between a point. I don't like that. I don't like how we're like, we didn't get a full retracement or a full correction back up, and it's like almost as if we gotta go sideways. I don't like that. Let me look at some more charts. Let me look at some more history. Let me see if I'm missing out on something. If I'm not seeing something that I'm supposed to be seeing. Here come the break. Damn. As soon as I started moving it. Come on, let me see it. You're telling me that history is all the way that far back? Actually, I want to add. Ooh, I want to add. Come on, give me a retracement back up and then reject. Look at that rejection. Everybody that added right here got wrecked. Everybody that added right here got wrecked. I knew that was gonna happen because we didn't get the what? We didn't get the close. So it wants to go back up. All right, go back up maybe. If you keep rejecting, I'm gonna add more. I'm gonna add 5 more. Here we go. It's about to shoot back up. I want to see the rejection right here. It hit that point. Wow. All right, we down 100. That's okay though. Wow. Let me add a stop before it shoots up like crazy and then take us out. Let's see the rejection. I want to see the rejection right here. We did get the break. I want to see on a 5 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute. Let me look at this 3 minute. It's a higher time frame fair value gap. I like that better. 2 minute, 1 minute. If we get this rejection right in this area, I'm taking the shorts. Right here, boom. Hopefully we don't get no bounce all the way to the highs. That's gonna be annoying. Man, what kind of wick was that? Ew. Man, this market is eating people up, man. I'm telling y'all. Straight destroying people. Alright. Boom. Let's see if we can get this rejection back down. We're down 100. Exactly. Nah, it's taking us out. It's taking us out. Come on. Where you trying to go at? Man. Hopefully it don't close. Let me wait. I'm gonna get out. 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 We're down 145. That's a good number. I'm not mad at that. On the countdown, we're down 145. When you play it stop tight, you good. I want to see if we close above. If we stay above this candle right here, I think the longs might want to come back in. For sure. My goodness. We're gonna see. 30 minute. Yeah, we ain't getting a break. We got a break right here, but we ain't get that. Let's see. Right here, but we underneath that. Let's see if we were trying to gather some liquidity for the shorts. We got 50 seconds to this 5 minute closes. After that, we're going to determine if we can go short again. Man, I would like to see this go short. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Yeah, I would like to see this go short. I really would. 15 minute. If we don't get the, like, look, we got the 5 minute break, right? We got the 5 minute break. I think that was a bigger break that we needed, for real. Well, no, that's the break. Oh, wait a minute, what's this? What's this? Is that another bounce point? Hold up. Hold on, extend that to the right. Nah, really? That was a good level to bounce at? No way. No way. Look at that 15 minute. We got the close above. Look at the 5 minute on this one. Got the close above. We're gonna see these longs start coming in. If not, then they're gonna have a rejection. We're gonna see. And we'll take our trade. Man, it's tricky. I ain't gonna lie, this market get tricky. I'm pretty sure everybody that added thought the shorts was gonna tap into this zone right here, but it didn't. And that's the hurt part about this whole thing. Are these longs coming in? Was that the is this considered power of 3? Is this a power of 3? No way this is a power of 3 move. This might be a power of 3 move. Hey, these might be a longs. This might be a long trade. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Are we staying below? Getting rejection? I'm gonna go into another short. I'm gonna get into another short if it starts getting underneath this area. If it stays underneath this, I'm gonna get into another short. Please get back underneath. If it don't stay getting underneath this right here, I'm gonna get back into another short. If it stay above this right here, I'm getting back into a long. Cause this might be a long trade for real. We're gonna see. Fair value got right here. Let me get rid of this line. I don't like this no more. Actually, let me keep it. I feel like I'm having deja vu. It's so weird. Man, this is a strong level. Serious. We might really get the break. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. We got 2 minutes on this 15 minute, which is interesting. This is a lot of sideways, you know? 2 minutes on this 15 minute is crazy. I just want to see if we can get below back underneath this point. That's all I want to see. 5 minute break right here. I just want to see. We tied it to it. We tied it to it. One minute left until this 15 minute closes. And also every time frame is going to print out. Now I see what's going on. All right, so look at the 4 hour. So we look at the 4 hour. We might get. We got 1 minute left. Did we get underneath? Please get underneath and print. Once it prints underneath, bro, bro. Come on, man. 1 minute left until the 4 hour prints. Tap it to that. Would you consider that a tap? Ooh, that's tough. That's a tough trade. That's a tough trade. 30 seconds left until this 4 hour prints. I'm sitting on hands because I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this price action. I don't like how it looks. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Not one bit. 20 seconds until the 4 hour prints. I'm glad I sat on hands because I should have known that this was gonna happen. Yeah, I don't like this. Nah, 10 seconds left until this 4 hour prints. See, on the 4 hour, we got 6 seconds left. 5, 3, 2, 1. It printed and we didn't get the close. We didn't get the close. So what does that mean? I need to look at that. I need to add some more confluence. I need to really look at this market. Look at this 4 hour. We didn't get the close on a 30 minute. We didn't get the close on the 15 minute. I don't like that. I don't like that. I don't like that. Can we reject? That's the question. I want to see a rejection. I don't like that. We didn't get the close on a 15 minute. We didn't get the close on a 30 minute. Hey, yo. I'll be honest with y'all. I don't know. I think this market may trap us out. Yeah, this market is getting volatile. Let me see if they got any news, because this is getting very volatile. And I don't like this. Let's see. What we got? What we got? We got anything else? No, we got FMOC. President Trump speaks at 2 o'clock, though. Trump speaks at 2 o'clock. Yeah, this is about to get hard to see, because honestly, this is going to be hard to read because on a 4 hour, we didn't get the close. This might be a long trade. This might be a long trade, honestly. We're going to see. Are we getting above? We get a break above this, I'm going long. Nah, I don't like that. No break. Look at this. No break, really. No break. Nah, I don't like that. 30 minute, no break, no break, no break. Nah, I don't like that. I don't like the shorts. I don't like the shorts no more. Even though the shorts might come in, I just don't like it. We can get the close past this point. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I don't like that. I'm going long. I'm taking this long. Put my stop below for a loss of 350. Actually more. Right there. Yeah, 350. Let's see us get this push. Can we get this push? And I'm gonna hold this trade. Let's go. Yeah, you watching like popcorn. We're gonna see. We in 1 minute. Damn. Damn. Say you wanted to take me out. Just say that. Just say that. I'm gonna stop a little lower. Just in case I have to add. Ooh. Ooh. Might have to scale out. Might have to scale out. Can we get that push? Can we get that push? We're sideways. Can we get that push? Come on. Man, we sideways. This is a key level. I should have waited. I'm gonna have to wait. I might have to wait because if we get the breakout and stay above this, I'm getting more. I'm gonna add more longs. Come on, let's get the break. Come on, no rejection. Let's get it. Stay on a 5 minute to kind of give me some more help. Oh, 5 minute about to 5 minute about to close in 50 seconds. I don't like that. Come on, 5 minute. Look at a 15 minute. Still got like 10 minutes on that. Come on, let's get that push up. Let's get that push. Let's get that push. Come on. Stay on a 2 minute because I like how it looks. That rejection is ugh. There we go. Man, ooh, this market is trying to not give people they look. So serious. Stay above. Stay above. Come on. Let's get this push back up. Let's get back to these highs. Come on. Let's get back to these highs. Let's go. Hey, this market was trying to get everybody out of it. Oh, it is not trying to break. Hey, you see the highs flipping like that? And we in some important levels. This is getting hard. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This is getting tricky. This is getting tricky. This is getting tricky. Yeah, this is getting tricky. Whew. We in hot water right now. We gotta be careful. Be very careful. It's volatile. It's a volatile market. Hey, I'm gonna put my stop a little tighter. I'm gonna put my stop a little tighter. Put my stop a little tighter. Because we haven't been breaking. You know, see how these candles show that we haven't been breaking. We're just constantly grinding higher and higher. I'm gonna hold this 1 mini, 10 micros. I'm gonna hold it. And if we continue to reach some higher highs, I'm gonna add more. But I wanna do it. I wanna be careful with this though, because I don't wanna get stopped out. So we're gonna be careful with this trade. Man. There was a lot of people getting faked out. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Here come that rejection real quick. Wow. We got the break on this part. We just need to see it build up. Ugh, nasty. Come on, ES. Have that break. I just want to see ES. If ES can break, if ES can stay above this fair value gap, that would make me so much happier. Come on. Ooh, I don't like that rejection. I don't like that rejection. I don't like that. I'm gonna take out partial. When I say I wanted to take out partials, all right, I took out partials just to be safe. So we're down 75. But if I see the buildup, I'm gonna go back into the longs again. Yo, this is sideways. I might have to get out this. I might have to get out this market, y'all. Wow. Wow. Is this rejecting? Wow. Let's see. Wow. Market tough. This is range. This is what range look like. I had a feeling we was gonna move sideways today, but it's okay though. We're trying our best. It's hard to trade a market like this. Look how wicky it is. It's hard to trade a market like this. All you can do is really scout this market, really. Until you see a clear breakout. Are we going for them shorts? Nah, because we didn't get the break. On a 30-second, we didn't get the break. I'm gonna stay on a 4-hour because I think that's gonna give me more confluence on where this market may want to go. Rejection. We stayed above. We stayed below. I'm gonna look at a 4-hour on ES and see. On ES, let's see what we. It is what it is. Hey, it is. It's tough. Look at this sideways. Look at this. It's so sideways and wicky. Almost like he doesn't want to give us the trade. I think these shorts might come in. I'm gonna look at another high time frame. So look, rejection up here, right? Rejection up here, rejection right here. Even though we didn't get the close below, can we still continue to go short? Can this still be a short play? That's the question. Let me look at the daily. Can we get that rejection? I think we can. So I might go back to my original bias and go short. I might go short. I just need to get more confirmation. That's all. Go back down to ES. Look at the daily. We got the break though. Let's see. Hey, I don't like how ES is not in confluence with NQ. It's almost like it's rejecting at this bar right here. Cause look, see, look how. Ooh, wait a minute. We're gonna see. It's tough. I ain't gonna lie, it's tough. I think it's best that I might stay out this market until we get break. Even if we get a flush, like so, let's say if the flush do come, right? If the flush do happen, it happened because it just got volatile. But I just don't like the price action. It almost as if it just once it go down 50 points, it goes up 50 points. I don't like that. I'm not a fan of that. Look, we didn't even get the 5-minute close. And it still might go, it might bounce down and shoot back up. I just don't like that. So if you in this trade, you're scalping the market. I just don't like it. I don't like how it looks. I don't like how the 4-hour looks. I might have to get out this market and call it a day. We still got some imbalance below. The trade may come later in the day, be honest with y'all, until Trump speaks. I don't know what Trump is speaking about, but we'll see. What's that sound? Oh, that's the thing. Hey, I'll be right back. Let me go mute. Let me go fix this alarm real quick. All right, we back, team. Let's get back to it. Look at a weekly. It's looking very weekly. Funny. Man, this is some tough areas. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Honestly, I really believe these shorts might come in. I'm not even kidding. I'm not kidding, yo. It's probably building up to build these shorts. We're gonna see, cause we ain't get no break though, but the shorts look good. Oh my goodness, it looks so like tempting. But remember, we gotta get break of structure first. Also, let's see. Yeah, I need to see the shorts come in, bro. These shorts look good. It's almost like it wants to. You like what? Why the longs? Why not the longs? Right? Right? Look right here. On NQ, we couldn't get the break. Right? 1, 2, 3. That's 3 taps. You got 3 taps with no break. 1, 2, 3. Like how many more? You know what I'm saying? The market still want to go long on a higher time frame, but on a 4-hour, it's not going long. Look at that 1 hour. We got the break right here, but I think we needed more of a retracement. I'm thinking that we might need more of a retracement. But if we continue to stay, oh, never mind. I got another spot. I'm sorry. Let me fix this. Let me fix this. Yeah. This is tough price action, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. This is tough. This is tough. All these wicks. All right, so we got 40 seconds to these 15 minutes close. Excuse me. 30 seconds. $15 seconds. All right, there we go. So 15 minutes just printed. Come on, now. 15 minutes just printed, and we are literally range bound. Wicks up and down. We have wicks everywhere. No clear break. See money, take money type of day. That's what it looks like. See money, take money. This is crazy. This price action is trash. Yeah, these wicks are crazy. Both sides. Both sides. Oh, blah, blah. Uh-oh, here comes my son. All right, so we getting a push, right? I'm okay with that. Nice little push. We couldn't get the rejection. The market wasn't ready to give it. I get it. We got 3 minutes until this 5-minute closes. Wow, big rejection. That's annoying. Okay, back to where we was at again. Yeah. Yeah. Range. Range. Can we get the push? Wow, got the push and people rejected that so fast. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take my whatever I got and get out this market because it's getting hard. It's getting harsh. Wow, what? Yo, what? What? What kind of feel was that? Y'all should have seen where they filmed me at. Y'all would not believe this. Y'all would not believe. Yo, this market fake, bro. Gave me the nastiest feel. Unbel Unbelievable feel. Yeah, gotta love it. Be right back. Be right back. Yo, it just be going up and then tanking, up and then tanking. Amazing. This is a ugly market, a ugly, ugly market. I gotta be honest. All right, I'm gonna stay in this too. I'm gonna play it light. I just wanted to get my profits back. I mean, my losses back. All right, we're gonna stay in this and see if it tank, it tank. But I like how it's holding this area. Bless me. Excuse me. Can we get this push? Which I think we can. Oh, the starting minute already printed. Okay. Gotta be careful right here. Might be another short. I'm gonna get out there. So we down 44. Yeah, see? It just forms it so perfectly, just a short. Hey, but we're gonna stay on. We're gonna stay on. We're gonna keep on trying until we get this clear breakout. Try to see if we can get a break. We are squeezing out. Let's see if we can get the squeeze out and go long. Because we couldn't break short. Let's see if we can get the squeeze and go long. Let's see. Would it give us a squeeze? And if not, then I might just take out just to be safe. All right, there we go. All right, we're getting a push. Here we go. I'm gonna take out now just to get some little profits and just wait. I want to see us break and then get a retracement and shoot up. Because that's all we've been waiting on, right? It's really what we've been waiting on this whole time. It's a breakthrough. Look at that right here. Ooh, look at that push. All right, here we go. We got a push. Man, that really was how many ticks? Yo, that was 122 ticks. Finally getting a push. All right, so we got the break. See if we can get a retracement and respect at this resistance and go for a long. Dang. But you don't want to give it? Can we get that flush? I want to just get a quick scalp. That's all. I don't like that. That close. See? I had to get out of that. I didn't like how that closed so fast. I didn't like how that closed right there and didn't even get a break. Had to get out of that. That was 68? No way. That was 68? That's amazing. All right, 30 seconds on this 5 minute. See if we can get the reversal so I can really get into a big trade and get out. See if we can get these shorts to come in for a quick scout. Just want to see it happen. 20 seconds. If not, then we might get the push. Push on. If I can see these buyers dry up, then I'm gonna get into a short. But if these buyers continue to keep sticking in, I mean, we're gonna see because it's looking kind of thin. Like it looks thin. The sellers and the buyers look thin. I'm just looking to see who's gonna dry up the most so I can go ahead and take a short or a long. Buyers are drying up. Let me get into a short. Whoa! What was that wick? What was that wick? Oh my goodness. Yo, I'm getting to a short now. What was that wick? Oh my goodness. I'm adding to this. I'm adding to this. Yo, come on. Come on. Come on. Really? You're really about to retest on that like that? Come on. No way you're retesting that. No way. No way. No way. You're about to bounce off that. No way. That was the ugliest, I mean by ugliest move I've ever seen. I'm adding more shorts right here. I want to add. I'm going to risk this account. 33. I want to say rejection right here. Because that was crazy. Come on. Really? Come on. You gotta be kidding me. You about to continue to pump on that? Bro, be for real. Be for real. Bro, so bro, it's like when the play is there, like for example, you seen the setup. The setup is there, perfect setup, perfect setup, right? So as I'm gonna press this, it's like make it make sense. You're not giving nobody a chance to even grab the market. It's like a quick, bro. What is happening? What is happening? Literally, what's happening? How was that even? How did that even make sense? How did that even make sense? 1 second, the market just shoot up and shoot down. Like, come on, man. Give me a break here. Let me see if there's any news. Am I missing anything? Might have to just get off. Nah, we good. Like, what was that? Let's add into this. I'm back into my full. Honestly, what was that? What was that? That trade made no sense. It made no sense. Bro, that trade made no sense. Like, I literally just blinked to get into the trade, and it literally just happened. Like, that's annoying, bro. They gave no trader a chance to make a move on that manipulation. That thing just happened so fast. Like, right now, it's like, I don't even want to hold it. I feel like if I hold a trade, it's like, come on, bro. Look. It's about to. You're serious? Are you serious right now? Look at that. Look at that. Can't barely even hit the VWAP and make a move right. There we go. It hit my stop, but didn't hit my stop. It hits my stop, but don't hit my stop. Bro, I can't with this market. I can't, bro. This market. There we go. Come on, just. It hits my stop, but doesn't hit my stop. Oh boy, this is. Bro, I can't. I'm putting my stop at break even. There we go. We out. Bro, give me a break. Give me a break. We did it. Give me a break. We up 644. Give me a break. Okay. They want to give nobody that play. Amazing. Wow. We are 644. Y'all know what I'm about to do. Man, I'm about to Kingdom. You know this short was gonna come in. You know it was gonna come in. Look, right? We tapped into the zone. We kind of like, we was in the buy. No. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Not when this 15 minute didn't close above this high. Nah, nah, nah. I might shoot. Oh, my goodness. My goodness, my goodness, bro. Nah. Nah. Buy. Alright, I'm gonna buy it right now. Right now. Buy. If we stay above this, if the sellers dry up, like for example, remember what I said, right? When the buyers dry, see how the buyers are drying up, the candles are thinning out, and the wicks are getting, they're getting longer and they're moving sideways down. They're getting lower, right? So break a structure, right? Right, break a structure. I said, oh yeah, right? Yeah, that's the play. Got the break a structure. Seen the retest. I didn't expect it to shoot down like that, but that also means you gotta go grab that liquidity. So we're gonna grab that, right? See, we want to buy the market, right? You want me to buy it, right? Yeah, nah, right? Seeing the sellers dry. I mean, the buyers dried up, right? The buyers dried up, rejected this block, shoot down. The shorts, they're coming in, of course. Ay, boy, goodness. Wowzers. Talk about high manipulation. Oh man, your mind, you gotta have a strong mind for this market. No cap. You really do. You really do. This market would eat you up and spit you out. I'm saying. I'm being honest. This market will eat you up and spit you out. I mean, y'all seen what happened. Man. Alright, let's see. Are these sellers drying up so we can go long? Or are they gonna come back in? Let me see if we can get a pump higher. No. Still volatile. I wanna get on when Donnie get on, man. Donnie. Let's get this close above this candle. All seriousness, a retracement coming. My boy believed in that. He said, I know for a fact, right off this bounce right here, that retracement coming. I know it. You know what's so crazy? Everybody thinks that. Because guess what? It hasn't developed yet. Once I see a close, I'm taking it. I need to see a close. Look how it bounces off my lines. Boy. Nah, not yet. Yeah, right now, this is the close. Look at this wick. The red one didn't do it. Nah, high time frame, my boy. You can see the push all day. That's a scalp. But if this thing rejects and go down, I'm gonna be the idiot. This like a cup and handle. It's coming. It ain't happening yet. It's coming. It ain't happening yet. Yeah, I believe you, King. I know. I need more confirmation. Now, don't get me wrong. I can play this market. I'll play this scalp. I'll play this. But I need more confirmation. Like, let's say if I got in one right now, right? Boom. I'm in one. I put my stop below the low. I have to scalp this. I don't want to see this drop down and do this. Boom, boom. I believe it would do it though. But we're still underneath. It's coming! The longs are coming! Kingdom, really? He know them longs coming in. But we're still in range. It doesn't matter. The play is not A1. It looks good, but the play is not A1. These shorts have been dropped. Like, here's the thing, right? The reason why I got into the shorts, right? Let me get out of this. You know what? Actually, I'm gonna stay in this. I'm gonna get out. Cause I don't wanna look at this while I'm trying to show you why I got into the shorts. Look at this. Look how this market has been reacting on the shorts. Look at these shorts. Look at these longs, right? Look at these longs. Look at these shorts. Longs have played out on the 19 really good. But look how heavy these shorts been coming in. Big time, right? Big shorts, bow, green goes in. Big shorts, bow, green comes in. Shorts, bow, green comes in, can't break. Shorts in, bow. You see how it's constantly trying to go long, but it's not going long. But then when as soon as they try to close, the shorts come straight in. That's alarming to me. So I go down to a lower time frame. You see a lot more shorts. The greens are drying up. Look how dry they start to look. You see? This is a good green, but it couldn't push, right? I knew these shorts are gonna come in. As much as this green happened right here, it's bound to fill. It's bound to fill. It's gonna fill this in because it's been short this whole time. So I'm like, okay, whatever. But look how long it's taking for these longs to come in. So look, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all know something. This market is sideways. I might have to get off because I don't want to get chopped up. We're not breaking. Look at the higher time frame. We couldn't even push on a 1 hour. We stayed up below this block, right? Look on the red. Look on 4 hour. We couldn't get the break. I don't know why I feel like we're gonna come and tap into this 4 hour fair value gap in this 4 hour demand zone. To tell y'all the truth, I don't like these wicks. I don't like how strong these selling wicks are. This almost look like this can be filled up right here. Right here. This look like this gonna get filled in. Wait, hold up. Yeah. This look like it's about to get filled in. You feel what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna not go for the longs. I like the longs, but then again, I don't. It just don't look good. It don't look like an A1 setup. It looks like a trap. Right? It looks like a trap. Now don't get me wrong, the longs can't come in. You could be right, Kingdom. The longs can't come in. I just don't like how it looks. It looks like it'll trap you up here and then drop down on you. I want to stay out of that. I'm not liking that. So Kingdom, it was a pleasure, bro. I'm glad you stayed around and watched the stream. Thank you for enjoying it. Do I see the longs? I don't know. I'm nervous that it might drop on me. So yeah, guys, I hope y'all really enjoyed the stream. We up 638. You know what I'm about to do? This is what I'm about to do. I'm about to lock it out. We lock it out all day. Boom. We're done. We're done for the day. We did a good job. We did good today. Secure the profits, clear your head, and hit the gym and get ready for another setup. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah, man. You get enough screen time, you'll know the traps. You'll see them every time. Don't ever ignore. You might see a good clean setup. We did it. We did a good job, man. You look at the charts. Look at the charts. It looks good. You see the resistance. I mean, you see the resistance. You see the support. We had a key level. This looks good. You know, we did a good job. You know, we don't want this market dropping on us. But other than that, we're locked out for the day. As you can see up here, look, boom, 6 hours. What else do we have? I'm gonna go ahead and end this stream with a Bible verse. Matthew 6, seek first God's kingdom, his righteousness, and all things will be given to you as well. Therefore, do not worry about tomorrow, because for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own. Don't worry about tomorrow. Stick to the day. In the now, give it to God, right? I'm gonna give it to God. I'm gonna try my best not to worry about tomorrow, but the now. God bless y'all. And also, Matthew 7, verse 7, ask and it will be given to you. Ask him. Ask him. All right? Seek and you will find it. Knock at that door and it will open, right? You ask God, he will give it to you. You start looking for it, you will find it. And when you knock at that door, it will open. And guess what? You will be blessed. Everyone who asks will receive. Everyone who seeks will find. And the one who knocks, the door will be open. God bless y'all. I love y'all. And I'll see you.